Okay, on numbers 10 through 13, we're looking for measurements here. I know I have a diameter. What I noticed too, though, is I have this radius P, so PB here, and P is my center. So PB intersects AC at a 90-degree angle, which means those two segments have to be congruent. Okay, so it's bisecting that segment. So I know Y has to be 7. I know this whole arc AC here has to be 64. If half fits 32, this half has to be 32. All right, so then to find our missing measures here, so Y is 7, we figured that out. We know X is 32. Then arc AD, so we're talking from here to here. We're going the short direction. So that's going to be 180 minus 32. So that gives me 148. Sorry. Okay, so that's 148. And then the last one here, arc ABD. So 3 points. I'm going the longest way around. So A to B to D. So that's going to be 180 plus 32 gives me 212.